Remnants of Debby will move into our area tomorrow. Next weather meteorologist Grant Gilmore is back. So Grant, we're talking about heavy rain, strong winds tomorrow into the nighttime.
Yeah, but the big difference, Jim, between what they're dealing with down south and what we're dealing with here is, one, is that it's going to be a much weaker system, but two, it's going to be moving much faster than it has been for the entire week. Let's talk about our next weather alert for tomorrow, because I think while we do see some showers around the area today, tomorrow's a bigger impact day for the entire region. Midday through tomorrow evening is really the bulk of the time frame when we could see the heaviest rain, the gustiest winds, and where we could even see an isolated tornado, but we could pick up 1 to 2, maybe even 3 inches of rain in some places, especially up through the Lehigh Valley. There is that severe storm threat and gusty conditions. I'll show you that here in just a second, but down the shore, you could see some wind gusts approaching 50 miles per hour as Debby whistles through the area. Flooding, ponding on roads, and certainly a slow travel afternoon and tomorrow evening. We'll have to watch out for some impact to our evening commute as we go throughout tomorrow evening. Here's Debby. It is beginning to move quicker to the north, 10-mile-per-hour winds. It was moving at about 3 miles per hour. Those sustained winds are at 40 miles per hour. Heavy rainfall moving across North Carolina and now into southern Virginia. But you can tell as it really races up towards the north, it just doesn't have time to drop as much of the heavy rainfall as it was across portions of Georgia, South Carolina, and even Florida back on Monday and Tuesday. Rainfall totals are going to be highest west of the immediate area. You head out to central PA, they could see 3, 4, 5, maybe even in some places 6 inches of rainfall. We'll have to watch Mount Pocono and the western Lehigh Valley for maybe 2 to 3 inches of rain. The Philadelphia area to South Jersey, we're talking about maybe a ½ inch to an inch of rain, but our ground is already saturated after all the rain that we've seen through the last couple of days. I mentioned those gusty winds. As the center of the remnant low pressure system passes to our west, we'll see that southerly wind start to really increase with some gusty conditions along the shore as we go through tomorrow afternoon. You see those wind gusts down towards Cape May, Atlantic City, 40 to 45 miles per hour. Even in the city here, we could pick up some wind gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour as that low pressure system from Debby tracks up to the north through Saturday morning. Still breezy conditions, especially down the shore, but those winds will gradually begin to relax as we go through the day, Saturday into Sunday. We are tracking showers across the region right now. Here's a live view from Cape May and Washington Mall. You see some showers out there, people braving at least a couple of those light showers across the area, but how about those temperatures, right? I mean, it almost has a feel of fall. If it weren't so damp out there, that would be a different story. But Sea Isle City right now checking in at 68 degrees. Vineland is near 75 degrees. Philadelphia and much of the Lehigh Valley, low mid-70s, with Allentown now right around 68 degrees. So it's mild and some might even say cool and certainly still damp. Some of those showers beginning to move up from the south as we go into South Jersey right now. There's Debby. Let's track this out for you. Let me show you the plan as this tropical moisture continues to surge north out ahead of the tropical system. We'll see those on and off showers across the area today, but again, the heaviest of the rain begins to arrive from the west as we make our way through the day tomorrow. Again, keeping an eye out for periods of heavy rain that may result in some flooding, and that flooding threat is going to continue as that band of heavy rain pushes across the region as we go through Friday afternoon into Friday evening, and then there's our clearing as we go into our weekend. 77 is the best that we'll be able to do today with those light showers and pockets of heavy rain at time. Let me show you a quick look at the 7-day forecast. Again, we have that next weather alert for tomorrow. Your weekend and the first half of next week look amazing. Plenty of sunshine with temperatures peaking in the low and middle 90s. Jim, back to you.
Something to look forward to. Thank you, Grant.